Founded in 1989, Mental Health Center of Denver is a private, nonprofit 501c3 organization and the community mental health provider for the city and county of Denver. With 8 outpatient clinics and 23 residences for people recovering from mental illness, MHCD is poised for growth under the leadership of Dr. Carl Clark. A practicing psychiatrist, Dr. Carl Clark leads the Mental Health Center of Denver in its mission of enriching lives and minds by focusing on strengths and recovery. He is active in both local and national issues involving mental health care and is widely known as an expert in improving community mental health care.
Well, at the Mental Health Center of Denver, our goal is to serve as many people as we can. So we're always trying to figure out ways to do things more efficiently and maximize our space and really deploy our resources the best way we can. We had a time period where our records were stored in our facilities, and that was a lot of paper. We migrated towards an electronic medical record. It took us 5 years to scan 3 million documents into there, and it freed up 19 offices,
Wow.
which were now clinic offices. So if you have that much data, you need to have a good place to keep it.
Yeah.
So certainly one of our strategies was to look at the whole thing about data storage and where things stored, and how do we have a really safe, secure environment for electronic medical records. So now, through using Citrix and having our servers in a safe environment, it means our staff can access that information from anywhere. The mobility. The mobility is huge. We do have the philosophy of going where people are instead of expecting them to come to us. And the fact that now I can get access to my desktop, either on my iPhone or my iPad or my laptop or a computer I'm sitting down in somebody else's office, makes all the difference in the world. So I think that's a part of the partnership. How do we take what we're doing today and continue to do it in a way that gives our staff really the tools they need to get their jobs done? Your ability to, handle our servers, handle our information, make sure the systems are secure, all of that, that is what you guys are expert in. It's your core competency. We have things that we are expert in. When you bring those things together, you get something that's better than what it was before. All businesses have to, make decisions about their limited resources and their capital expenditures. For me, is it better to, contract with a company like 3T who's taking care of that service, those server capital costs, and through the contract, and my being able to use my capital budget for expanding, sort of the community assets that directly serve consumers, it makes a huge difference. You can't put the same time and attention into those very important core competencies that somebody else can do, and do everything you do great at the same time. So I think that networking is something that all businesses should be looking at, and finding the partners that will help them really make that happen.